Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix money on hold in PayPal. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your PayPal application. You just want to fill your email address up there and then enter your password down here. I'm just going to enter my password. I'm going to click on login to log in into my account. To fix money on hold issues, why you're having this issue is because there is a particular button that you need to press to enable the money enter your account, and I'm going to show you the button now. Alright, so this is the button. Once you click on it, the money is going to drop into your account. So it's actually from the sender's perspective. When they send the money, you have to confirm receipt. Okay, when you confirm receipt of the money is going to drop into your PayPal account. Okay, so that is how you fix PayPal money on hold. Okay, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.